In this video, I'm going to show you how I am using Excel to send a large number of emails. And instead of using commercially available softwares which have a recurring price associated with them, I wanted to avoid that. So the Excel can do this, but for this you need Visual Basic programming. I don't know Visual Basic, so I asked someone else to help me with this, and the final product is this. You will have an Excel file in which you will have two sheets, like one which is used for sending emails and one which is the control panel. So I'll show you how the control panel works and how it helps me do different tasks. So first of all, if you are going to send large number of emails manually, you will not be able to do it easily. And if you want to insert a delay between different two or three or different emails, and the reason you need to insert a delay is that your ISP will consider it as spam and may block your emails or stop your emails if you are sending hundreds of emails within a short amount of time. So in order to comply to those requirements, in this column and this row, you can see here it is saying delay between mails. So this is in the due interval of minutes. So I can change it from 1 minute to whatever I want. And then the next row shows email worksheet name. That is where the emails are being picked up from. And this one I'll show you here. It shows all of those, the recipient name, subject, body of the email, sending email account, the contact name to whom I am sending the salutation, and this also gives a date and time stamp of when the email was processed and sent. So here I can do that. This is the worksheet through where it picks up the emails. And then I have the time of mailing start. So basically, when do I want the mails to start on a particular date or time, and whether I want to send the emails or no. So this is also an option. Start mailing, stop mailing, self-explanatory. This is what is basically governing everything. So the CNN stand for current and next. So if a program is running, it will show here C, and if it is next in line, it will show here N. This is scheduled day of the week. When do I want the emails to start going? What is the start time? What is the end time? And whether this program has been enabled or not. As you can see here, I can select out of all these days, whichever day I want. For example, I select Tuesday. I select a time, let's say it is 8 a.m. I just have to press 8 on my keyboard and it will take 8. And if I want to, let's say it should finish at 5 p.m. So I will just write 17 from my keyboard and it will take it at 17. And then you have whether you want the email this schedule to be enabled or not. Then this table tells how much emails are going to go out for the selected duration of time. For example, here I selected from 8 to 8:30. It means that 30 minutes of duration has been set. It's just for calculation, it's showing 30 again. And then it calculates based on the time duration that I have sent here, that 6 emails will go in 30 minutes based on the rate of 1 email after 5 minutes. So if I change this to 10, enter, here it shows 3. And today is, as you can see, Sunday. So for Sunday, it will start at 17 and stop at 18. So if I select start mailing, it has shown me that on Sunday, which is coming next, it will start at this time, stop at this time. Again on Sunday, start at this time, stop at this time. I'm not going to email anything right now, so I've stopped mailing. This is the worksheet from where it picks up everything. So it shows that the last email was processed on this day, salutation is this. I can put any contact name I want. I can put the name, the recipient's email, it could be anything. Then the subject of the mail could be anything again. And similarly, the body of the email could be anything. Once that is done, I can select a sending email account also. So here I can choose which email account is used to send emails. And as you can see, all of this is editable. Another good part of this program is that if I choose, for example, if I put X here, right now it is protected. Okay. So if I put X here or here or here, it will skip those. Unless there is, this column is blank, it will not send any email. And if it is blank, it will then send the email and put a date and time stamp also here. Coming back to the control panel, again, just to recap, delay between emails, where the emails are being picked up from, time when the email will start, whether I want to send the emails, yes or no. I can start, stop, the schedule, and the duration. So I have been using it for the last 1 week or so. I'm very happy with it. It's easy, and it can easily be done by someone who knows Visual Basic. In case you have any comments or suggestions or questions, please let me know. I will try to answer, and thanks for watching.